Any thoughts as to why the Rock's so much better than the others this year? Well, the Rock in general performs very well. It is our highest returning strategy year over year. It did have a bad year a little while back, but the Rock position, first of all, it's timed differently than a lot of the longer term strategies. A lot of the longer term strategies, you're in a different market cycle. So if you're trading 80 days to expiration and you're trading 56 days to expiration, or you're trading 30 days to expiration, there can be a big difference in how you happen to be positioned when you get into the market. So that makes a big difference. It's almost like you really can't compare a trade that's entered 80 days to expiration to a trade that's entered 30 days to expiration in a given year, because it's like comparing apples with oranges. You're comparing them in different types of market cycles and in different conditions. The other thing is, too, the Rock trade isn't always in the market, so it might miss certain things, which is helpful. Also, it didn't get hurt very badly in the February debacle. It ended up getting stopped out at 5.9%, where a lot of the longer-term trades had 2, 3 plus max loss.